Crypto Billionaire 69 hopping on in the morning time. Hope you guys are doing amazing, having a beautiful morning. We're going to go into the day trade analysis here in this video. Dropping time frames, 2 hourly candles. Last video we said we need to watch these 9-6 levels. And indeed, we have come down and we are showing a little bit of buying pressure around these 9-6. However, we want to see some more buyers step in and push this price higher. We want to see this candle come push higher than these 9-8s, all right? And possibly even these 10s, okay? If we can see the price push higher within the next 4 hours, 1 and 2 and 4. These are 2 hourly candles. Got it? Cool. If we can see that price move higher in the next 4 hours above these 10 levels, then it's a good sign that we are still creating higher lows. Boom. Boom. And moving to the upside. So that is not confirmation. Confirmation will be once we move through these 10, 20 levels. Okay, that will be confirmation that this is our new floor on these 9-6s. Now, let's say we break down through these 9-6s again. The next level of support we need to watch, and we need to watch closely, are these 936s, okay? We'll be heading back down to here, and we will most likely see a bounce because it will be a triple bottom. We have one bottom here, 2 bottoms here, and another bottom coming back down here. Boom. Bounce. So, that is what we want to watch for today. We are consolidating still above this 50% mark on this green candle, which is very, very nice to see. We are continuing to make higher lows, and we should see this trend continue to do this. So, if we see a nice bounce here, that is just another very bullish sign that we will continue to the upside in the near future. So, let's head over and check the crypto fear and greed index. We are in extreme fear again. Wow. This is an awesome sign. We are in extreme fear as we are making higher lows and consolidating above the 50% retracement mark on the previous confirmation candle. I don't know how. It can't really get much better than this, okay? It's just about a matter of time. And yeah, before we absolutely go berserk in these markets. So have patience, my friends. Hodl to Mars. And yes, it is the 29th. So by the end of the month, we will see how this chart is looking, all right? I will keep you guys updated. Crypto Billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button, baby, if you like in-depth technical analysis. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.